Now, in this video, we are going to take up one more program, Python program, to display the multiplication table. So what does it multiplication table means? Suppose if a 2 into 1 is equal to 2, 2 into 2 is equal to 4, like this. So this is the multiplication table what I want to write by using the program. So suppose if I use the for loop, what is that? N is equal to int input, enter the number here. So what is the number you are talking about? The number, suppose if I want multiplication table of 2 or multiplication of 3, 5, 4, like that it can keep on increasing. Now for I in the range 1, 11, why I have to give 1, 11? Because 2 into 1 it starts and 2 into 10 it is 20. So I want to include both 1 and 10. So 1 is the initialization and 10 is the end. If I take the range, then it should be 10 plus 1 because up to the range here in the end point, up to the end less than the end number, that is less than one of the end number is the target. Since it is the target value, I want to include the target value, that is 10. So it should be more than 10. It should be 10 plus 1. So it becomes 11. So print, what is the value of n? Whatever the number you want, 2 into I. I is what? I initially is 1. So that is equal to n star I. What is n? 2 into 1? It becomes 2. So output is like this. Enter the number here, 7. So what is the output you will want to get? 7 into 1 is equal to 7, 7 into 2 is equal to 14, and it keeps on increasing till it becomes to 7 into 10. So how we are doing it exactly? So when n is equal to, enter the number here, n is equal to 7, I in range, first iteration, n is 7 into I is 1 equals 7 into 1. 7 into 1 is 7. Then again it goes to the loop. It increments the value by 1. So it becomes 2. Then 7 into 2, it becomes 14. Then again it goes back and takes the increment by 3. So 7 into 3 is equal to 21. Again it goes back and takes to the 4. 7 into 4 will becomes 28. And again it goes back and takes the value of 5. 7 into 5 is 35. Again it goes back and takes the value of 6. 6 is within 11, yes. Then 7 into 6 is 42. Again it goes back and takes the 7th value. 7 into 7 is 49. Again it goes back and takes the value of 8. 8 is within 11, yes. 7 into 8 is 56. Again it goes back and takes the value of 9. 7 into 9 is equal to 63. Again it goes back and takes the value of 10. 10 is within 11, yes. 7 into 10 is equal to 70. Again it goes back and takes the value of 11. 11 is within 11, no, it comes out of the loop. So this is how we will be able to get it in for loop. Similarly, when you are trying to work in a loop, while loop, so n is the int input, enter the number here. So that is the same input what we are getting. So instead, here what we are doing is, in a while loop, we will going to initialize the value first. So I is equal to 1. Then while I is less than or equal to 10, since I is less than or equal to 10, is 1 is less than or equal to 10, condition is true, give the same statement. So 7 into I is equal to, 7 into 1 is equal to 7. Then I plus is equal to 1. What does it mean? I am incrementing the value of I by 1. So then I becomes 2. 2 is less than or equal to 10. Condition is true. 7 into 2 is equal to 14. Again it increments. I is equal to 2 plus 1. It becomes 3. 3 is less than or equal to 10. Condition is true. 7 into 3 is 21. Again it increments by 1. 7 into 4. So I is equal to 4. 4 is less than or equal to 10. 7 into 4 is equal to 28. Again it increments the value by 1. I is equal to 5. 5 is less than or equal to 10. So 7 into 5 will be equal to 35. And increments the value of I by 1. 5 plus 1 it becomes 6. 6 is less than or equal to 10. Yes, 7 into 6. Then again it increments the 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 is less than or equal to 10. Condition is true. 7 into 7 will be equal to 49. And then 7 is incremented by 1. 8. 8 is less than or equal to 10. Condition is true. Print. 7 into 8 will be equal to 56. Again 8 plus 1 it becomes 9. 9 is less than or equal to 10. 7 into 9 is equal to 63. So again it increments, I is equal to 1. 10. 9 plus 1 it becomes 10. 10 is less than or equal to 10. Condition is true. Print 7 into 10 is equal to 70. Then again it increments the value of I by 1. I is equal to I plus 1. That is I is equal to previous value of I is 10 plus 1. It becomes 11. 11 is less than or equal to 10. Condition is not true. It comes out of the loop. So this is how the program will going to run for the multiplication table. So how exactly we will be able to do it? By using the loops and while loop, we will going to do that. So first is n is equal to int input, enter the value, enter the number here, enter the number here. Then for I in range 1 comma 11. For I in range 1 comma 11. Okay. Print n. Okay. Print n comma print n comma then star comma or x, whichever way you want you can do it. N x comma I equals okay n I comma okay then equals in the display. So again it is a string. Equals comma n star I. Okay. Now if you try to run the program, see what happens. I will say 2. So this is the value you are going to get. 2 into 2, 2, 2 into 2 is equal to 4, 2 into 1 is equal to 2. So like that I will going to get the multiplication table. So how exactly it is doing now? We will go to check that. So we'll go to the for loop, debug Python file. So I will go for the enter the value here. I will take, say for example, I will take 3 now. For I in range, first it will take the value of I as 1. You can see here, I is equal to 1. Print n is 3, I is 1 equals n star I. Okay. 3 into 1 is 3. You got it. Then again, I is equal to, it becomes 2. 3 into 2 becomes 6. You can see here what is happening here. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Then I is equal to 3. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Then I is equal to 4. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. I is 5. You can see here, I 5. Here I is 5. 3 into 5. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. So you take 15. Then I is equal to 6. 3 into 6 is equal to 18. I is equal to 7. 3 into 7 is equal to 21. I is equal to 8. 3 into 8 is equal to 24. Then it will take the value of I is equal to 9. 3 into 9 is 27. Then I is equal to 10. 3 into 10 is equal to 30. So then I will be equal to 11. 11 is within 11. No, it comes out of the loop directly and gives the final value. So this is how you will be able to get the multiplication table for whichever the number you want, you can take it. So that is the advantage of doing this. So similarly, the same way, what we can do is by using the for loop. First is n is equal to, while loop now. N is equal to int input, enter the number here. Then what I can do, I is equal to, I will initialize. Then while I is less than or equal to 10, while I is less than or equal to 10, print n comma then multiplication, comma, then the value of I equals, I, comma, then equals, comma, n star I. Then enter I plus equals 1. I plus equals 1. So what does that mean? I is equal to plus equals 1. It is I is equal to I plus 1. The same, it is the equivalent of that. So now when I try to run this program, again we will say, enter the number here, I will say 7. So you are going to get the multiplication table of 7. So now I am going to use, enter the number here, I will say 10. You will get 100. Okay. Now we will try to use it bar 11 now. See how the loop will going to work. So here I will go for this. I will take, enter the number here. I will take 11, enter. I is equal to 1. Initialize the value of I is equal to 1. Well, when y 1 is less than or equal to 10, condition is true. Then print n is 11, I is 1, so equal to 11. So the first print will be 11. So I is equal to I plus 1, 1 plus 1 it becomes 2. I is equal to so 2 is less than or equal to 10, condition is true. Then print 11 into 2 is equal to 22. Then again I is equal to 3. You can get 3 here. Then 11 into 3 is 33. Then I is equal to 4. 4 is less than or equal to 10. Condition is true. Print 11 into 4 is equal to 44. Then 5. 11 into 5 is equal to 55. Then 6. Then 11 into 6 is equal to 66. Then 7. 7 is less than or equal to 10. Condition is true. Then print 77. Then I is equal to 8. 8 is less than or equal to 10. Condition is true. Print 11 into 8 is equal to 88. Then I is equal to 9. 9 is less than or equal to 10. Condition is true. Then 11 into 9 will be equal to 99. Then I is equal to 10. 10 is less than or equal to 10. Condition is true. Print 11 into 10 is equal to 110. I is equal to 11. Then 11 is less than or equal to 10. No, condition is false. It comes out of the loop and exits the program. So this is how you will be able to get the multiplication table of any number by using both using the for loop and as well as the while loop. Thank you.